Yo, yeah! What's up? Halloween is almost done, so let me tell you a quick story. I'll do a part 2, maybe tomorrow. yeah, yeah. First of all, I'm just gonna try to find a film to watch, and first of all, second of all, it's a really long story. So let's start off with I went out with like I don't shit. I went out and then my niggas just shot. My niggas just chilling with man, you know. Then we went to 3 kiosks and they give us all, you know. And nah, I don't want to say too much because I'm not allowed to put my friend in this movie. So I'm just gonna say we got along with Kenny, much fun, much pressure, but much nigga. Peace out, motherfucker.